How to set up departments and categories. Go to Inventory. Press Departments. Tap the green Department button. The Edit screen appears. Select the department. Press Edit button. Department name. Enable Disable Tax. Weight item. Bonus mileage eligible. Show on department sale. Setting sales restriction hours for alcoholic items. EBT card. Age restriction. Position number. These options are available for MetaPOS e-commerce stores. Press OK. Press the Add button to create a new department. Press Categories button. Departments are displayed. Once you select a department, the related categories will be displayed. You can edit or add category. Subcategories. Subcategory is available for MetaPOS e-commerce stores.